Hola, fellow content creators and video enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something incredibly exciting to talk about that's going to take your video creation game to a whole new level. If you've ever found yourself struggling with complicated video editing software or just want a hassle-free way to make stunning videos, then you're in for a treat. I'm thrilled to introduce you to FlexClip, the ultimate online video creation tool that's designed to make your creative journey smooth, seamless, and oh so enjoyable. Watch until the end of the video for a quick view of FlexClip with an easy tutorial. Part 1. What is FlexClip? So what exactly is FlexClip? Think of it as your virtual video production studio, right at your fingertips. Whether you're a social media influencer, a business owner, a teacher, or simply someone who loves sharing stories through videos, FlexClip has got you covered. It's an all-in-one platform that offers a range of services to help you bring your ideas to life in the most captivating and professional way possible. Part 2. Easy-to-use interface. One of the standout features of FlexClip is its user-friendly interface. Seriously, folks, this platform was designed with simplicity in mind. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a complete newbie, you'll feel right at home here. Drag and drop your video clips, photos, and music onto the timeline and watch the magic unfold. Creativity unleashed. FlexClip is not just about convenience. It's about empowering your creativity. With a plethora of customizable templates, dynamic text options, and eye-catching transitions, you can add your personal flair to every video you create. Trust me, I stock media galore. Now I know what you're thinking. What if I don't have the perfect video clips or images? Well, FlexClip has got your back with its library of stock videos, photos, and music tracks. Easily search for the right media to enhance your project and give it that professional touch. Export with ease. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, FlexClip makes exporting a breeze. Choose from a variety of formats and resolutions optimized for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or even your website. Your video will look fantastic no matter where it's shared. The future of video creation. In a world where visual content is king, FlexClip is like a knight in shining armor for creators everywhere. It's changing the game by democratizing video production and giving everyone the tools to tell their stories in a visually captivating way. So there you have it, folks. FlexClip, the online video creation tool that's as powerful as it is easy to use. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, educator, or simply someone who loves to document life's moments, FlexClip is your ticket to turning ideas into stunning videos. So why wait? Dive into the world of FlexClip and let your creativity shine like never before. But if I still haven't convinced you, let me show you how it works. You just need to log in to FlexClip. Once you're on the website, you'll see a variety of different templates. These range from the most popular to promotions, sales, lifestyle, recently added slideshow intros, and outros for YouTube channels, as well as social media templates in different formats. There are also templates for education and training, corporate content, weddings, birthdays, real estate, sports, travel, and creative themes. You have the flexibility to choose any aspect ratio that suits your social platforms. For this demonstration, I'll select the YouTube ratio. Once you've chosen the ratio, it prompts you to import any media you'd like to use. However, I'll skip this step for now. Now, in the editor, if you navigate to the Tools section, you'll find an array of AI tools available. For instance, there's a text-to-speech tool and an AI script tool. In this instance, I'll instruct FlexClip to generate a script about creating a video tutorial using FlexClip. So, yes folks, the script for this video was also generated within FlexClip. Once FlexClip has generated the script, I'll copy the entire text and proceed to the text-to-video tool. Here, FlexClip will craft a video using various scenes in alignment with the script. As you can see, I've copied the script, returned to the Tools section, selected Text-to-Video, pasted the script, and now I'll allow FlexClip to perform its magic. Furthermore, I can also automatically generate subtitles, which can capture viewers' attention effectively. FlexClip has now produced a comprehensive video with different scenes and subtitles. At times, I prefer to choose different videos from the stock media that best match the content. To do this, I can simply click on a scene, access the media library, and select a preferred alternative. That's it. It's incredibly straightforward, as you can see. Additionally, you have the option to include music and images, and you can even create AI-generated images from text. I highly recommend that you explore the website and have fun with its features, as it's incredibly user-friendly and enables you to craft stunning videos. Until next time, happy creating. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews and creative tips. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.